Hey guys, so this is the Kring bouncy chair. Let's assemble it and test it out. Very straightforward. Let's go. So we have a few dowels. With this nut and screw. Okay, let's take this other part of the frame. Just install these things. Put this thing on this side. Take the long bolts with the captured nut. Do the other side. Put it upright and assemble these things together with these 4 bolts. And do a final tight down. This is the chair assembled. Now all we have to do is put the fabric on. So there is a zipper here, you can wash it. Now let's test it out. Great, I think it's comfortable. Okay guys, hope this helped. Bye.